Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product. Today, we're diving into Metamask, found at metamask.io. Metamask acts as your gateway to the world of blockchain technology, providing a user-friendly bridge between your regular browser and the decentralized web. Think of it as your personal passport to Web3, allowing you to interact with decentralized applications, DApps, directly within your browser environment. Setting up Metamask is a straightforward process. You'll add it as a browser extension, much like adding any other add-on. After installation, you'll be guided through creating a secure wallet, generating a unique seed phrase, a vital piece of information that you must keep safe and secure. This seed phrase is your master key to your crypto assets, so treat it with the utmost care. Never share it with anyone. Once your wallet is set up, Metamask simplifies the often complex interactions with blockchain applications. You can manage multiple accounts, send and receive cryptocurrencies like Ether, and connect to a growing ecosystem of decentralized platforms. Whether you're exploring decentralized finance, DeFi, trading non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or simply wanting to participate in the evolving Web3 landscape, Metamask makes it significantly more accessible. By providing a secure and streamlined experience, Metamask empowers users to manage their digital assets and engage with the decentralized web with greater confidence. It's a vital tool for navigating this new digital frontier, offering a crucial layer of security and ease of use. As the adoption of blockchain technology continues to grow, Metamask serves as an essential on-ramp, making the world of Web3 more inclusive and user-friendly. Remember to explore the various settings and features within Metamask to tailor your experience. The platform is constantly evolving, adding new functionalities and improving its interface, so stay updated on the latest releases.